Brigi, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today in IoT and sensor devices class, we are going to see about different microcontrollers. On completion of topic, students can understand the types of microcontrollers. The microcontrollers are classified based on bus width, memory, instruction set, and memory architecture. Bus width, it is classified into 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit microcontroller, 32-bit microcontroller. Based on memory, it is converted embedded memory, external memory. Based on instruction set, it is classified into CISC, RISC. Based on memory architecture, it is classified into hardware architecture and von Neumann architecture. How a microcontroller classified? Microcontroller are categories regarding bus width, instruction set, and memory structure. For the same memory, there are different forms with different sources. 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit microcontroller. Classification according to memory devices. Embedded microcontroller. When an embedded system has a microcontroller that has the functional block available on a chip is called embedded microcontroller. For example, 8051 having program and data memory, IO memory, serial communication, counters and timers, and interrupts on the chip in an embedded microcontroller. Classification according to memory devices. External memory controller. When an embedded system has a microcontroller that not all the functional block available on a chip is called external memory controller. For example, 8031 has no program memory on the chip. It is connected externally. Here we are having CPU, memory, timer, interrupt, input and output, and the external memory is connected outside. According to the instruction set, it is classified into complex instruction set computer. It allows the programmer to use one single instruction in place of many instructions. Just you can see the architecture. We will have program counter, program memory, micro program counter, micro program memory, continuous wait, data path, and data memory. RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer. This type of instruction reduces the design of microprocessor for industry standard. It allows each instruction to operate on many registers or use addressing mode and continuous access of data. Based upon the memory architecture, it is classified into hardware architecture. In hardware architecture, separate storage and signal bus are provided for different set of instructions. The architecture has entire data storage within the CPU and there is no access availability for instruction storage as data. This architecture provides a simultaneous access of instruction and data stored inside internal bus of controller. Von Neumann architecture. The architecture of microcontroller is proposed by scientist John von Neumann. In this architecture, both instruction and data have a single path or bus present. Therefore, CPU performs single operation. Classification based on service provider. AVR, PIC, Hitachi, Motorola. AVR microcontroller is divided by Acmal service provider. AVR architecture is based on hardware architecture. It is based on reduced instruction set computer. AVR is not the acronym, but it's the name given to RISC architecture based microcontroller. PIC microcontroller, also called hardware architecture based computer. PIC microcontroller is the acronym stands for peripheral interface controller. This type of microcontroller support in C, assembly and basic. Hitachi microcontroller belongs to H8 family of controller. H8 is a name used to large family of 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit microcontroller developed Renesas technology found in 1990. Motorola microcontroller is highly integrated microcontroller that is used for high performance data manipulation. This microcontroller using system integration module, time processing, and tuned serial. So from this topic, students can easily understand about the different types of microcontroller. Thank you.